Friends, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to remove background image in a picture. Before getting into the video, hope you would have subscribed our channel. If not, do subscribe. Come, let's get into the video. Why we want to remove background image in a picture? The main purpose of removing the background image is to separate the foreground from the background so that we can highlight the image and we can swap the background of our choice. Sometimes we remove background to prepare the image for applying other photo editing techniques. You can easily add drop shadow or mirror effect after you remove the background from image. Now we are going to remove the background image from a picture using two different methods. One works well with a solid background and another one works well with a complex background. First method is using Microsoft PowerPoint. PowerPoint makes it easy to remove the background. Today I am going to use the latest and greatest version of Microsoft PowerPoint. However, if you use older version of Microsoft PowerPoint, you should also be able to follow along.
Now open Microsoft PowerPoint. In that, under Insert tab, click Pictures menu. Under the tab, there will be three options: Photo Browser, Picture from File, Online Pictures. You can select any one of these options. I am going to select Picture from File. I have already selected two pictures. First one is line picture, second is background picture. After selecting it, click Insert. Once it is inserted, I am going to move one image to the right, another image to the left. Now I am going to maximize the picture. After that, this is the background that I am going to remove from the line picture. For that, under Picture Format tab, there will be many options for photo editing. In that, select Remove Background option. Default background will be selected automatically. There will be two options: mark areas to keep, mark areas to remove. So, whatever area you have to keep, select mark areas to keep and draw the line on the image that you want to keep. Here, see the head portion. I want to keep it. So, draw the line on the head portion so that it will get deselected. Now, I want to remove this background. So, I will select this red mark and I am going to draw the area that I have to remove. Now see, I have to remove the notes portion. It is selected. So I am selecting mark area to keep and I am drawing the line. Once it is done, you can click anywhere outside the image. Now we have removed background successfully. Now I want to bring this C image as background for line. For that, I have to bring line image to the front. For that, right click on the particular image and select Bring to Front option. Now you can place this image anywhere you want. Now I am going to reduce the size of the image and place it correctly. So far, we have removed original background of line and created a new background for it. Now I am going to add effect for the picture. For that, select Picture Effect. There will be so many options available in that. Or else right click on the image, you will get Format Picture. Under that Format Picture, there will be so many options like shadow, reflection. Reflection, if you want, you can give, or else you can give 0%. If you increase the size, transparency will get increased. Then you are going to soft edges. It will give realistic feeling to the picture. So I have selected that one and placing the picture appropriately. Now I'm going to change the color saturation. So under color there will be so many options. I have given black and white. If you want, you can keep it or else you can remove. So far we have seen how to remove background image using PowerPoint. Now we are going to see second method using Microsoft Word. Here also we are going to select Insert tab. Under the tab, Picture from File. Then we are going to follow same procedure that we used in Microsoft PowerPoint. Now click Remove Background menu. Under that menu, you can select Mark Area to Keep and Mark Area to Remove accordingly, and you can remove the background.
Hope you would have enjoyed this video. Let's meet again in our next video. Bye-bye.